Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the CRM lead management software. The first thing you want to do is go onto nocrm.io. Once you have done that, you can tap on start your free trial as they offer a 15-day free trial. And if you would like to extend your free trial, you can do that by putting in your credit card information. But if you don't want to put in your credit card information and you just want to test out the platform, you can do that by simply entering your email address and creating a password. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see that it is very straightforward. It has no fluffs. So all you'll need to do once you are signed in, you could tap on create a lead. After you have tapped on create a lead, you'll be able to create your first lead. So for example, you can simply name this lead test, just for example's sake. Then from there, you can fill in the first, last name, phone number, and email if you want. After you're finished, you'll tap on create my first lead. And from there, you can see that you have now created your first lead right there. So you can see what's next. If you would like to open it, you can tap on open it. And you can see right here, it is a very straightforward and easy to use platform. The only pullback that I would say is it does not offer a lot of features compared to other lead management softwares. So you can see here, this is basically how your lead would look, as you can see here. So I can close this, and in the future, after you're finished, you can tap on actions, and from there you could choose assign, and you can choose to assign it to anyone on your team, as you can see here. And they can also change the status once they are finished or once it is in progress. You can also set a reminder if you want, and you can add the amount and probability by tapping right here. And if you would like to duplicate this lead, you can do that, as you can see here. Now let's close out of this, and you can see there we have now done our first lead. The next thing that I would like you to do, let me close this real quick. Next thing that I would like you to do is simply hover over the three dots in the top menu option right here. From here, you could tap on dashboard, and you can see how your main dashboard looks. And this is it, as you can see here. So you will see the shortcuts, which you can tap on manage to edit it if you want. You can see your current goals right here. And if you would like to go to the goals page, you can simply tap on that. Then from there, you can set your goals. So you could tap on assign a goal. Then you could tap on create your first goals, and you can see activity goal, and an activity goal is based on activities logged on prospects and leads, for example calls, emails, or meetings. Or if you would like to set a business goal, and this is based on the one amount of the number of one leads within a time frame. So you can select either option. So let's say, for example, we'd like to create an activity goal. You could tap on activity goal right there. Then you can choose to select one or multiple activities. Then let's say I would like to select email. So I will select email right there. Then you can tap on target, and let's say prospects. Then you can choose the time frame, whether it be daily, weekly, or monthly. After you have done that, you can simply scroll down, and from there you can set your weekly goal. So let's say, for example, 100 emails weekly. Then I'll tap on save. I have now created my first goal, as you can see right there. And you can also go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you could tap on email templates to create an email template. All you'll need to do is tap on create a template. After you have tapped on create a template, you can scroll down, and then from here you could add your template name. After you have added your template name, you can add the subject, and you can also add the CC and BCC if you want. And you can also see the different fields that you can add if you want. And you can scroll down, you can add attachments if you want, and so on. And also by going over to the left hand menu option, from here you can view your sales activity by tapping right there. And you can create an activity if you want by tapping on create an activity. Then from there you can select call, or you can select a different icon depending on the activity that you would like to create. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save, and you can also edit or create your pipeline steps. So you could tap on pipeline steps from the left hand menu option. After you have done that, you could tap on create a new pipeline. First, you'll need to insert a name for the pipeline right here. So you can tap on the pencil icon. Then let's say I would like to call this pipeline test. Then you'll simply tap on save. Once it has been saved, you can tap on create a new pipeline. And from there, I'll tap on test once more. Then I'll tap on create. So let's do that real quick. Once you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see the basic steps right there. Incoming, contacted, quotation sent, closing. And you can select the pencil icon right where you see edit. If you would like to change a step, you can do that. If you would like to add a step, you can tap on add step. And from here, you could add in a step if you want. And if you would like to move up a step, all you'll have to do is simply tap on it. Then you could drag it into position if you want. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option, if you would like to add team members, which more than likely you will, you could tap on teams right here. After you have tapped on teams, you could tap on new team. Then from there, you could enter the team member name. Now to add a team member, you will tap on users. After you have tapped on users, you can see at the moment I'm the only user. But if you would like to create more, you can see right here, one user or multiple users. You will simply tap on multiple users. After you have tapped on multiple users, from here you can add multiple users as once. After you have tapped on multiple users, you can see right here, add multiple users at once. And you can enter their email address, and you can also set up their position once they have accepted your invitation. And you can also integrate third-party apps using this platform. All you will need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on third-party apps, and from there you can scroll down and you can see that you'll be able to integrate numerous apps. For example, you can integrate Active Campaign, Funnel Flare, Active Demand, and you can scroll down and you can see the different apps right there. So it does offer numerous integration options. Now let's go back. So let's say, for example, we would like to go back into leads. We could tap on all leads right here. Remember, we had created a lead, so you can see how it looks right there. And if we were to hover over clients, you can see you can create a new client folder, or you can import clients by simply tapping on import. From here, you'll be able to upload your CSV file, and it can contain up to 3,000 rows. All you would need to do is tap on browse, search for the CSV file, then you would tap on upload. And also, if you would like to, for example, connect a calendar, you can do that by tapping on calendar right there. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to connect it to your Google Calendar, as you can see here. And that's basically it when it comes onto nocrm.io. They also offer some other features. For example, you can create business cards by tapping on business cards right here. So for example, let's go right here. Let me show you how to do that. You can also schedule emails by tapping on the email icon. You could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on schedule emails and you can schedule emails. You can also add your email signature if you want. But let's go right here, tap on tools. So I will be showing you how to create a business card. After you have tapped on tools, you could tap on business cards. Then you will be redirected to this page and you can see first take a picture of your business card. Once you have taken the picture of your business card without a flash on a white background like a sheet of paper, then you send it to them. The size of the picture must be larger than 50 KO, but you don't need to send the maximum resolution. And you can choose whether you like to send it from your mobile, so you can see using your iPhone or Android app, or you can send it via email. So you can do that real quick. You can also use their lead clipper feature if you want, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.